Assalamualaikum 3 class. I am your skills teacher. Open your book. Today we will study the fourth chapter of grammar review, that is verbs and tenses. First we will study that what are verbs and then we will move on to the tenses. So let's start students. Come to the verbs. What are verbs? Basically verbs are mainly doing and thinking words. यानी कि बच्चों वर्ब क्या है, सेंटेंस में किसी भी तरह के एक्शन को, कोई टास्क को जो भी परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है सेंटेंस में, वो क्या कहलाएगा, वर्ब कहलाएगा. एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वर्क, एक्शन, टास्क दैट इज बीइंग डन इन एनी सेंटेंस, दैट इज नाउन एज वर्ब. क्या है बच्चों वर्ब? सी हियर, एनी एक्शन, टास्क दैट इज परफॉर्म्ड इन एनी सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, he is drawing his work. The action that is performed in this sentence is doing. I will wash my hands. The action that is done in this sentence is wash. You're coming to me. The very verb in this sentence is coming. So students, what is verb? किसी भी तरह के एक्शन को, थिंकिंग को, किसी भी तरह के टास्क को जो कि सेंटेंस में परफॉर्म किया जा रहा हो, वर्ब कहलाएगा. Any action, any task that is being performed in any sentence is known as verb. Alright student, and now come to the exercise. Question number A is given. Circle the verbs in these sentences. As we know that what are verbs, they are mainly doing and thinking words. कोई भी task, कोई भी किसी भी तरह का action जो कि sentence में किया जा रहा हो, वो क्या कहलाएगा, verb कहलाएगा. So we will simply read these sentences and circle that where the verb is used in these sentences. So start. Dad baked a chocolate cake. तो इसमें क्या है बच्चों verb? इसमें वर्ब है baked. I swam to the river bank. Swam is the verb that is used in this sentence. In this way we will solve this question. Now come to the question B. Frame sentences with the given verbs. We are given verbs here: catch, yell, skid, cook, ask. We will use these verbs to make our sentences. Like catch, the very first word is given to us: I catch the ball. Yell, she yells at her daughter. In this way we will make the sentences of the given verbs. Okay, come to the next page. See here, question number C is given to us that complete the sentences with the verb. We will simply use any sort of verb that is suitable in the sentences and fill the blanks. Like this one, moved or dived into the river. You can use your own verbs. I have used my mind and put the suitable word that is given to us. Like I saw a huge mosquito. The zookeeper looks after the snakes. In this way we will fill these blanks. Okay students, as we know that verbs are any doing or thinking words. किसी भी तरह के एक्शन को हम verb कहेंगे. Now come to the tenses of verbs. Verbs के tenses क्या हैं? What are the tenses of verbs? Tenses of verbs बच्चे क्या हैं? Period है, या timing है, duration है, that tell us that when any verb has been done. यानी कि कब जो है वो कोई भी टास्क परफॉर्म किया गया किसी भी सेंटेंस में. Just like we are having three tenses like future, past and present. फ्यूचर क्या है? फ्यूचर हमें हमारे फ्यूचर के बारे में बताता है, मुस्तकबिल के बारे में. पास्ट हमें हमारे पास्ट यानी कि गुजरे हुए के बारे में बताता है. और जो प्रेजेंट है वो हमारे प्रेजेंट एरा को बताता है, अभी के वक्त को बताता है, हाल के बारे में हमें बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी हियर, टेंसेस ऑफ वर्ब्स टेल अस व्हेन समथिंग हैपन्स, कि कब कोई भी जो है वो वाक़या कब रूनुमा होता है. लाइक रज़ा वॉक्स, रज़ा चलता है. शोज़ एन एक्शन में बी हैपनिंग नाउ, यानी कि ये बता रहा है कि शायद एक्शन जो है अभी हमारे रूटीन वर्क में है, यानी कि रज़ा जो है वो वाक चलता है। सी द प्रेजेंट टेंस, इट इज़ द प्रेजेंट टेंस। रज़ा वाक्ड, रज़ा चला। शोज एक्शन हैपन सम टाइम इन द पास्ट, यानी कि ये बता रहा है कि जो एक्शन है वो पास्ट में हो चुका है। सो टेंसेज ऑफ वर्ब्स टेल अस व्हेन समथिंग हैपन्स, यानी कि वर्ब्स के जो टेंसेज हैं वो हमें बताते हैं कि जो वर्ब है, एक्शन है, दैट इज़ परफॉर्म्ड इन सेंटेंस, द ड्यूरेशन, द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ दैट वर्ब इज़ टोल्ड बाय द टेंसेज। वो बताते हैं कि जो वर्ब है उसका टाइमिंग क्या था सेंटेंस में, जो है वो कब एक्शन परफॉर्म हुआ। सी हियर स्टूडेंट्स, write the past tense forms of these verbs by adding ed. Here we are given some verbs like play, cook, jump, rush, knock, walk, add, wait. We will simply put ed in front of them and they will change into past tense. They are used in present tense like I play football. But if we will talk about the past tense, we will simply add ed to make it in past tense, and we will make the sentence like I played in noon, यानी कि मैं दोपहर में खेला, या I played football, it will be a past tense. I play football will be in present tense and I played football will be in the past tense. See here students, a tense are of three kinds: present, past, future. Here we will discuss about the two that are present and past. See here student, like cook, it's a verb that is of present. We will make it past by simply adding ed. Sorry. Cooked. I cook food. I cooked food. This is the verb of present tense and this is the verb of past tense. We simply made the simple present verb into past tense by adding ed. In this way, we will solve the question that is given on the book. See here, question number D. As I have told you earlier that we will simply add ed to make the very verb of present tense into past tense. See question number E. Underline the verbs in the sentences are in the present or past tense. Put a tick mark in the correct box. We will simply read the sentences and see here that which tense of verb is used here. Either it is past tense or present tense. If it is of present tense, we will simply tick the present tense box. If it is of past tense, that verb is used in the sentences of past tense, we will simply tick the past tense box. See here, I played table tennis with Tamur. Here the verb played is being used. It is of present tense or past tense? It is a past tense because ed is used here. So we will simply take the past tense box. Zaid swim in the ocean. Swim is of present tense. We will simply take the present tense box. In this way we will solve this question. See, question number F is given here. The verb be takes different forms of verbs in past and present. To fill in the blanks with correct forms of to be in present tense. बच्चे be क्या है? be उर्दू में इसका मीनिंग है होना. It's a verb. और verb जो है उसकी forms होती हैं. As we know that verbs have different forms in present and past tense. क्या करेंगे? Simply we will see here that with different pronouns different verbs जो हैं वो use होंगी. Like I, with I singular pronoun we will simply use present tense. Past tense we will use am, and in past tense we will use was. These are the different forms of be. be की क्या है? ये different forms हैं. with I we will use am in present tense. you में क्या करेंगे? हम you के साथ हम are use करेंगे. and in past tense we will use were. With he, we, he, she, it, we will simply use is, and in past tense was we will use. Got it, students? These are the different forms of verb, that is be. be की different forms हैं, क्या है? am, was are the present and past tense forms of I. are and were are the past and present tense forms of be, that we will use with you. You is a singular pronoun. And with he, she, it, we will use is in past present tense and was in past tense. See here, students, if we talk about the plural pronouns, present tense and past tense, the verbs of the different forms of be. Be is a verb, and the different forms of be that are used with the plural pronouns we will see here. If we use we as a subject, so what will be the form of be here? Are and were. Are will be in present tense and were we will use in past tense. With you we will use the same, are in present tense and were in past tense. they यानी कि वो जो है उनके साथ भी हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? आर यूज़ करेंगे प्रेजेंट टेंस में और वर यूज़ करेंगे पास्ट टेंस में. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज फॉर फर्दर क्लैरिफिकेशन. Firstly, we will solve the blanks by using the present form of be. हम पहले क्या यूज़ करेंगे? पहले जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन गिवन है यहाँ पर, हम उसमें प्रेजेंट टेंस लगाएंगे. किसका? वर्ब बी का. Simply we will use the very first form of be in the sentences. प्रेजेंट में आएगी वो फॉर्म और हम इसको ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे. लाइक शी इज़ प्रिटी. इज़ द present tense form of be. You are intelligent. It is fast. They are nice. In this way we will solve this question and come to the question number G. Fill in the blanks with correct form of to be in past tense. अब हमने इसको स्टडी किया है. We will learn it by heart. हम इसको अच्छे से याद करेंगे और फिर क्या करेंगे? इसको सॉल्व करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को. क्वेश्चन नंबर जी इज गिवन टू अस. शी वॉज हैप्पी yesterday. was is a past tense form of be. You were angry yesterday. It was cold yesterday. In this way we will solve this question. So students, what was the lecture of today's? Today we will study about a verb and tenses. Verbs are mainly doing and thinking actions. These are any action, any task that is being performed in the sentence. And if we talk about the tenses of verbs tell us that when an action is happened in the sentence, यानी कि ये हमें बताते हैं कि पास्ट में जो है एक्शन परफॉर्म हुआ, प्रेजेंट में परफॉर्म हुआ या जो है फ्यूचर में परफॉर्म हुआ. So this was the lecture of today. You will learn this blog by heart and it will be easier for you to learn and fill in the blanks with the correct form. All right, students. Thank you.